practice listening and speaking with this real-life English conversation between two friends enjoying dinner together. Learn how to greet a friend, make a reservation, order food and drinks, talk about your week, say goodbye naturally. Let's get started.
Oh, I love this cafe. The vibe is just perfect for a Saturday morning, isn't it?
Yes, it is. And this croissant is very good.
So, how's your week been? Still busy with the new project?
Yes, but things are okay. I really want to eat dinner at a restaurant. Have you heard of Ellie Jardin in Soho? It just opened last week.
No. What's it like?
Lots of small plates and seasonal stuff.
That sounds lush. Fancy going next Saturday?
Perfect. Evening works for me. I'll give them a ring and book us a table then.
Thank you for calling Le Jardin. How may I help you?
Hi there. I'd like to book a table for two, please.
Of course. What date and time are you looking for?
Next Saturday, for dinner around 7 p.m.
Let me check. Yes, we do have availability at 7 p.m. for two.
Brilliant. Could you please book it under the name Lynn Wilson?
Certainly. You all set? We look forward to seeing you then.
Thanks so much. Looking forward to it.
Done?
Yep. Next Saturday, 7 p.m. it's a date. Hi Anna. You look amazing tonight.
Lynn, thank you. You look lovely too.
I'm so excited for this dinner. It's been a long week.
Me too. I've been looking forward to this all day.
Shall we go in?
Yes, let's.
Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. It's under Lynn Wilson. For two. At 7 p.m.
Ah yes, found it. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here's your table. I hope you enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. This place is beautiful. I love the lighting.
Yes, it's so elegant and peaceful.
Perfect for a catch-up dinner.
And the candles make it feel cozy.
Let's look at the menu. I'm starving.
So am I. What are you thinking of having?
I might get the fish and chips. It sounds tasty.
A classic choice. I'm thinking of the beef Wellington.
Ooh, that sounds fancy.
It is, but it's my favorite.
For drinks, I'll try the iced breakfast tea with lemon.
Very refreshing. I'll go with a glass of Merlot.
Are you ladies ready to order?
Yes, we are.
Great. What would you like?
I'll have the fish and chips, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything on the side?
Yes, I'd like a salad, please.
Certainly. And something to drink?
An iced breakfast tea with a slice of lemon, please.
Very refreshing. And for you?
I'd like the beef Wellington with vegetables, please.
Of course. Would you like a side with that?
Yes, potatoes, please.
Lovely. And to drink?
A glass of Merlot, please.
Perfect. I'll get that all started for you now.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Wow, this salad is so fresh. I love the dressing.
And this wine is smooth. Very good choice.
I'm glad we came here. It's so relaxing.
And the food is amazing. We should do this more often.
Agreed. So, how was your week?
Busy, but good. A lot of meetings. And you?
I had a few work events. But I also joined a new yoga class.
That sounds fun. Do you like it?
Yes, it's great. You should come with me next time.
Maybe I will. I could use some relaxation.
You'll love it. That was such a lovely evening.
Yes, I had a great time.
Let's not wait too long for the next one.
Definitely. Maybe next month.
Sounds perfect. See you soon, Anna.
Take care, Lynn. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next English lesson.